Good morning, children. Today I am going to take what I taught already, that is the degrees of comparison. I taught first type again. This is the review. First type, ordinary type. So, what are the clues for to identify the ordinary type, superlative degree, comparative degree, passive degree? Have you remembered, ma? I gave the table also. So, once again, I wanted to tell. To find out the ordinary type superlative degree, common noun is in singular. When there is a singular, you have to find that is the ordinary type. That means there is no comparison. There is no comparison. That's what we written. The common noun is in singular. When there is a common noun in singular, in the comparative degree, superlative degree to comparative degree, what is the main clue for identify the ordinary? After that, any other. When there is a singular, you have to add after that any other in the comparative degree. That is the main. Then positive degree start with the no other. No other, any other, common noun singular. These three will come to identify easily ordinary type. Okay, again, what are the common clues? Before the adjective, the should be in the superlative. Comparative degree, than. Positive degree, as for all superlative, comparative and positive, it will be there. Now we'll come to the special type. So in the special type, I'll give one example. America. America is one of the richest countries in the world. Okay, have you identified, is there any difference between the ordinary and then special type, ma? Yes, common noun is in singular in ordinary type, common noun is in plural in special type. That is the main important one. Here, one more what I gave. America is one of. One of means one of the countries. Not only America. America is one of. One of means one of the countries. More countries are there. Out of all the countries, we selected America. Okay, ma? That's what in the special type. One of also, there one of. Sita is one of the cleverest girls in the class. Among the girls, we selected Sita. Have you understood, ma? So, America is one of the richest countries. In the special type, common noun is in plural. In the special type, common noun, to identify special type, that common noun is in plural. When there is a plural, you have to think that is the special type. That is the special type. Now, superlative degree to comparative degree. You remember the ordinary type. Then easily you can identify what are the differences. That is the clue. No need to by heart. You remember, you understand and keep it in the mind. So, when there is a countries, what will change in the comparative degree? America is. Some of the students what they are writing now, when there is a the, here also you are writing, but don't be diverted your mind, be concentrate. So that should be in the superlative degree, not in the comparative degree. What is the common clue in the comparative degree? Than, but not the. America is, what is the comparative degree of the richest? Richer. Than is the common. That when there is a plural, not only America, but also more are there, many are there. So, there is a competition. In the ordinary type, there is no competition. That's what we written after that, any other. Any other means no competition. But here, when there is a plural, we have to use after that, many other. Many other countries in the world. Countries in the world. This is the comparative degree. This is the superlative degree. So than is the common. In the ordinary type also we written than. But in the ordinary type, comparative degree, after that any other. Any other. Why we written? Because the common noun is in singular. There is no competition. In the special type, after that we written many other. Many mean more are there, more countries are there. That's what we written. There is a competition. Many other countries in the world. This is the comparative degree. From superlative degree to comparative degree. First you have to identify, is this the ordinary or special type. How will find out? Whether there is a common singular, that is the ordinary. When there is a plural, you have to think that is the special type. More based on that only we are going to change. That's what you remember, everything in the mind. Okay, ma? This is the common. Then from the comparative degree, while we are changing the positive in the ordinary type, what we have to use? No other. The past 2 degrees start with the no other. But in the special type, very few countries in the world. What is the present tense plural helping verb? Are. In the comparative, in the singular we written the is, but here countries are there. So or is the present tense helping verb. No, very few countries in the world are as rich as America. As rich as America. This is the positive degree. Very few countries are there, not only America. So one by one, step by step, you have to remember. When the common noun is in plural, in the comparative degree, after that many other. Why we written many other? Because there is a competition, not only America. Positive degree start with the very few also there. Very few comes from the countries. Very few countries in the world are. While you're writing step by step, you have to remember what we have to write. After that, what we write. Very few. After that, countries. After that, what helping verb we have to use. That also very important one. Then degrees also very important. The superlative degree richest, comparative degree richer, and positive degree is richer. Sometimes you are writing the wrong answers. While you are keeping the concentration only one, the remaining you are doing wrong. Please, you keep it in the mind. Or I gave the table. The table you have to go through again and again till you get correct answers. Okay, ma? But don't neglect one. Then once again I want to say, this is the special type. How to identify that is a special type? Common noun is in plural. When there is a plural in the comparative degree, we written after that many other. Why we written many other? Because there is a competition. How can we say there is a competition? Because countries are there. Not only America, but also more are there. Then positive degree start with the very few countries in the world are as rich as America. So this and this and these 3 will come in the special type, not in the ordinary type. Ordinary type, country singular, any other, no other. So while you remember these 3, definitely you will get the correct answers. Don't by heart the grammar. Please, don't by heart any grammar. You keep it in the mind. Be constant. Already I taught, again I am teaching, ma. So while the teachers are saying, you be careful. No need to write in the notebook. You have to keep it in the mind. That too I gave the table also. Okay, have you understood, ma? What are the common clues? Before the adjective, the is there, than is there, as a. These are the common for all superlative, comparative degree and positive degree. But you have to think about the main clues to identify ordinary type and special type. This is a very important one. But don't forget, when I ask you, you have to write the correct answers. When you neglect, no, you won't write. Again and again you are doing the mistake. Again and again I am giving the answers. But that is not the answers, no, ma. That is not the correct way. So once you have to keep it in the mind. Don't forget, you are not the old people. You are the clever people. You are the active people. Be active. Okay? Can you do in proper manner? Only one I will give the example. You do it. Ordinary and special also I will give. Do it. Change into comparative and positive. Football is one of the most popular game. Football is one of the most popular game. You have to identify it is ordinary or special type. So what are the clues? Comparative degree and positive degree. You remember and understand and write the once only correct answer. No striking marks in the work. Okay, ma? Bye.